I'm about to show you this beautiful building. It was nicely renovated 2 years ago. It's a triplex. It's a beautiful building. Has a nice sidewalk, a lot of cool features. It has a outside security camera, and you have here is another cool thing you have is the Amazon drop box for the resident. You have this mailbox for each unit, and you also have intercom where your guests can you can buzz in your guests from upstairs. This is what it looks like the outside. It's very quiet, nice neighborhood, and the building has the outside private space in the back, and that will be shared by the residents. I will show you that. Now I'm walking towards the back. Alright, as you walk in, this private area will be shared by the residents of this building. It's a big private area. You could have guests here. You could have here the grill, there are chairs, nice. It's actually, because it's fall, trees are shedding their leaves. It looks a little bit dirty, but it's because of the season. The landlord is very neat. They always keep it clean. It's a very nice building. Now I will take you inside and show you how good it is. Actually, it's a beautiful, nicely renovated 3 units. The units I'm about to show you are on the second floor, and you had a padlock to get in. I'm gonna open. Okay, I just came in to the common area. Here you see a lot of plants and a huge window for a natural light. We have plant here and the front door over there. You have a fire station in this common space. It's a nice common space. You have slide. The unit I'm about to show you is unit 2, which is on the second floor. Steps has light and heated. So I just left this door open for the video. Okay, this is unit 2. As you open the door, this is this beautiful floor and an open kitchen. And a big living space. The unit has a high ceiling and a lot of windows, as you could see. It's 4 of them. You get a lot of natural light to the unit. This is the open kitchen area. In this kitchen, you have modern cabinet space. It's a lot of them. You have an island, a beautiful island with a sink. You have stainless steel refrigerator. You have oven and cooktop. It's electric. And you have a built-in microwave. You also have a dishwasher. Everything is almost new. The building was renovated 2 years ago, so every appliance you see is almost new. So here, next to the fridge, you have a storage space or pantry. Here is what it looks like from this angle. Over there, in my living area, you have another closet space. You have a split system for the heat and air. The unit has a central heat and a central air. Here, next to the door, you see the intercom. You can buzz in your guests from here. You can also let them in by pressing a button. Then I will take you to the next room, which is the bedroom. It's, as you could see, it's very bright. It gets a lot of natural light here. You have a ceiling fan, the heating and cooling system, 3 huge windows for the natural light. This bedroom is facing the 53rd Street. It's very bright. It has similar floor, beautiful floor, and a high ceiling. At that corner, you have a closet. Big closet. Is high up. Okay. Then the next room will be is the bathroom. You have a beautiful modern bathroom. As you walk in, you see this beautiful tile floor. On my left, a nice sink with a drawer. Beautiful sink. And this, one of the cool features you have is the mirror. When you press this blue button, it lit up. So that is a mirror. It's a modern mirror for you. And here on my right, nice looking, stocked up washer and dryer. You also have a stall shower. It's a tile wall throughout the shower. Beautiful. Next, you have a small storage space. Actually, it's a place for the water heater. Where you can you also have in this bathroom toilet, as you can see, and also a window for fresh air. Here we also have big storage space. All right, now the last place I like to show you is the other bedroom. This beautiful bedroom on the other side of the building. This bedroom has 3 windows. The window is facing the back of the building, and this one has a bigger closet space with a shelf. We have the same heating and cooling system. It's a very big side bedroom. You will be looking out to the back of the building from your bedroom. Here you see over there on the first floor is the common private area for the residents. If you get this place, you can enjoy the fresh air, have barbecue down there. This space will be shared between the residents. So I just showed you this beautiful 2-bedroom unit in 1247 South 53rd Street. I hope you like the video. I hope you like this beautiful unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.